Alright guys, we're gonna go get oil now. Yeah. Gotta make sure to buckle up, guys. It's pretty nice out. Get back up with you guys later.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, we got a 10W30 motor oil. It's a quart or 946 milliliters. That's all.
A few moments later.
Started. Hey guys, today it is time. A little bit, guys.
Yeah? What will happen if this gets gas on it?
Nothing, but don't let it.
I'm not.
Alright, that's good. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna let that dry for just a second, guys, before we start. Yeah, we got enough. Alright.
He's not wearing his headphones on, so he's just gonna blur it out, or earmuffs, with the black square. I'm just backing up and zooming in instead. Guys, look how fun. Guys, a little bit, see if it clears the car. Too cold. It doesn't have one. It ran. Smoked a little bit, but that's because I put oil in there. So make sure it didn't speed up again. Once it stopped smoking, it was good. I gotta put it there, so the engine might be off. Seems good for now. So, I'm gonna run it for a little bit off camera.
Hey guys, now this is where everything went wrong. So, I shut off the camera, I started it back up, let it ran, smoke came from under the self-propel cover, so I shut it off and waited a little bit. I checked the belt, and we had enough oil in the engine. It was like close to the maximum mark. I check it again, under the minimum mark. We have an oil leak issue that we have to fix, and I think it's because of my grandpa. I'm not joking. We have to fix this, and if not, then this lawnmower is totaled. Literally. We lost a bunch of oil. It does have rod knock because when I started it, it still gave aluminum shavings. So yeah. This is really not good. So I took apart the whole thing. You can see oil here. I mean, there's oil in the video, literally. Guys, what do you think of my new work table? It's kind of a mess, but it'll work. Also, I didn't have my mom's phone, so the audio wasn't as good. I was using my GoPro at the time, which that audio kind of sucks. So, go ahead. This is the spark plug, as you can see. As you can see, it's not running too lean or too rich. It's running just right. We also have, obvious. We've got the engine here. Build is probably put off for like a week. Bye. Today, guys, we are back. So I thought this had a sheared flywheel.
Hey guys.
But turns out it's running fine out of nowhere. I'm a little nervous, but I'm gonna start it.
This needs a little fixing.
One more time. This is for you guys.
It's a shadow, guys. Play along, because it's scary. I'm just gonna stay back a little bit, and I'll zoom in.
It's running good, guys. You hear that thing? Now, unfortunately, guys, this is a guy's name. A friend. Not a friend. A person.
A person that works at a store.
Okay. So now that I fixed it, I actually have to give it back to him.
Yeah, guys.
So, yeah, this isn't mine anymore.
Since I feel comfortabler with it.
So much.
Oh, it vibrates, guys.
Don't get too close because that might be hot.
I knew I won't touch it.
Luckily, guys, I kind of accidentally bent the auto choke a little bit, but it's working. Because
So it's not luckily, but
otherwise the
luckily
engine
it's
wouldn't
worked.
run. Like, this is a sick engine, to be honest with everyone here.
Okay.
It's pretty cool, guys.
Hi, Mom.
The self-propel didn't seem to be working, but we'll figure that out eventually, maybe. Thank you all for watching.
Bye,
and I'm gonna
guys.
catch you on the next one.